channel. Today we are going to create an online text editor using HTML and JavaScript. So first of all, you have to create a new folder. After that, you have to open it as a brackets project, or else else any other editors you have. I'm using brackets for the project, and if you don't have brackets, I have given the link in the description. If you want, you can download it and use. So today we are making this online text editor using HTML and JavaScript, not CSS. Not CSS, JavaScript. Okay, now I'm going to open the project as a brackets project. Brackets is a good, easy to use HTML editor you can use. I'm creating an HTML folder, then making the basic components of HTML5. First component is HTML component, then head, then body, and inside head we are giving the title which we are going to see in the tab. So I am giving it online text editor. Then to get the icons, we are going to use a package that I am using Fontawesome. If you get registered with this, they will send you a link to the email, so you have to copy and paste between the headers. That is the kit code you are going to get from them, like this. So if you copy this kit code, you have to sign up first, then they will send. So after placing it, you can call the icons by using the class names. So next I am going to implement the body. Inside body I am going to create buttons first. So all those buttons are going to be given inside a division, which is going to make them keep them in an order. So I am giving a function on click for the what's going to happen when we click the button. I'm giving an exit command, not directly. I'm giving here the function that I'm going to call through JavaScript. So next, this is the class. I got this actually from the Fontawesome. I had used this before, so I'm directly writing it. So after this I will show you how to get the code. So like this, the whole I tag can be obtained from the icon you need to add in your website, or you can use it in the mobile app as well. So when you click on an item, here I'm searching for bold, and when I click bold, it's loading and you can see the types. So if you want to use this icon, you can click and you can get the code here. You have to copy this and you have to paste it between those button tags. So this class will call the icon from that package that we have given in between the head tags. So I need 9 buttons, so I'm going to copy this and paste. I think I made an extra button here, So let's remove that one. So after this we are going to create a frame. Before that, let's check how whether buttons are added. So yeah, as I have copied them, pasted them again, all of them are bold buttons now, and we will change them. So now we have to create the frame in which we are going to give the input. So let's create an iframe tag. Inside that we are going to give the size. First we are going to give the name, it's rich text field. Then we are going to give the size with the style attribute. It's actually width and height. So like we are giving length in centimeter, here in while coding we are giving them in pixels. So let's close the tab. Okay, now you can see that frame have loaded below this division which contains the buttons. So let's create a gap between them using the BR line break. We don't need to close the BR tag. So about HTML and JavaScript we will have detailed explanations in later videos. So now let's create the functions through which we are going to call the buttons work. Using strict, I am giving type text JavaScript. See how colorful and easy the brackets editor is. So that's why I am using this. You may use Sublime and even Notepad++. I'm creating an enable edit mode which is going to let us give input in the frame, that inline frame which we are going to use as an editor. So rich text field is actually a name I have given. You can give any name. If you give name like document in iframe, you have to use the same here. The document.design mode is which going to enable that editing ability to the frame. Then after enabling it, we have to use it in the call the function in body through the onload function, which is going to make the frame editable when the body is loaded. That means when your page is getting loaded, it will make that frame editable like an editor. So I have called it in the body. Now I have to create the function to call the buttons to make them work. And I have created a function named execcmd. You may use any name, or there is no need for it as well. You can directly write it as exit command and then give that bold inside the brackets. But for a good understanding, I have given it as separate. So same here, document dot exec command is the actual command which is going to make the buttons work. Not only buttons, every command is going to work with this. So there are three parameters in this exec command. So we need only first one. That is what going to make it work. So I have given it others false and null. So now you can see that it's editable. So now I have to change those class names and those function names are going to be changed now. So first underline. So as I used to use the Fontawesome, I'm giving the names as I remember. Now, when you are using it for the first time, you can go and check on the icon you are going to use, and you can copy that class name and paste here in between this button tags in order to call them through the script we have used between that header. So it's fetching from there. We will get I will give you the extra knowledge about that when I am making the videos about HTML JavaScript separately. I will tell detailed things about this, how this works, and these kind of little projects are better to understand the basic functions. So if you want any kind of basic project ideas, please comment them. I will try to make them and put it in this channel. And share this channel with your friends as well, so they can also get knowledge about basic programming like JavaScript, HTML, and now JavaScript is emerging everywhere. Like it have evolved as React.js, Node.js, and many types, which creates many frameworks. There are 3 frameworks: Main, Mern, Maven. All these 3 frameworks are now very popular, and React is now used in Facebook as well. So now our editor is complete. Let's check it. Yeah, everything is working fine. So the selected text can be edited using the buttons we have given up there. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and share it among your friends. Thank you.